In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a spotless home can feel like an uphill battle. For pet owners, busy families, or anyone juggling multiple responsibilities, cleaning up dust, debris, and pet hair is a never-ending task. Enter the MAMNV robot vacuum and mop combo, a device that promises to take the stress out of home maintenance with its cutting-edge technology and dual functionality. But does it deliver on its promise? Let's dive into a comprehensive review to explore why this robotic vacuum and mop combo could be your next best household investment. One of the standout features of the MAMNV robot vacuum and mop combo is its impressive 2-in-1 functionality. Whether it's vacuuming up dust, dirt, or pet hair, or mopping to remove stubborn stains, this device does it all. With 1400 PA suction power, it ensures no crumbs are left behind, even on carpets and hard floors. For the mopping function, the 230mm electronic control water tank offers even water penetration on surfaces like laminate, tiles, and granite. This dual cleaning mode simplifies the chore, making it ideal for maintaining both large and small spaces. What sets this robotic cleaner apart is its smart technology integration. You can easily control it via the Tuya Smart App, which lets you schedule cleaning times, change modes, and even direct the vacuum to specific areas that need attention. The MAMNV robot is also compatible with Google Assistant, so a simple voice command can get it cleaning in no time. No need to get off the couch. This hands-free convenience is perfect for busy families or professionals who don't have the time to micromanage cleaning tasks. You can set it to clean while you're at work, running errands, or even relaxing at home. No one wants a cleaning device that bumps into furniture, gets stuck under couches, or worse, falls down the stairs. The MAMNV robot vacuum features an upgraded 3D obstacle avoidance system that uses precise sensors to navigate around obstacles effortlessly. Whether it's avoiding your pet's toys, dodging furniture, or sensing drop-offs like staircases, this vacuum ensures your home is clean without the hassle of manual intervention. Its 2.87-inch slim design also means it can easily reach under beds, sofas, and other hard-to-reach places where dust tends to accumulate. The low-profile design ensures that every corner of your home gets the attention it needs. No one wants a robotic vacuum that dies halfway through its job. Fortunately, the MAMNV robot vacuum is equipped with a 2500 mAh battery, providing up to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning. This is more than enough to cover about 1,290 square feet of space, making it ideal for apartments and medium to large homes. What's even better is its self-charging feature. When the battery runs low, the robot vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock, ensuring it's always ready for the next round of cleaning. This feature is perfect for people who lead busy lives and don't want to keep track of when the vacuum needs a recharge. The MAMNV robot vacuum comes with 4 customizable cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag. These modes ensure that no area is left untouched, whether you need a quick clean in high-traffic areas or a thorough sweep of the entire home. The Zigzag mode is particularly useful, as it covers the largest area with maximum efficiency, reducing the chances of missed spots by 30%. This flexibility makes the robot vacuum suitable for various cleaning needs, whether you're dealing with small spills or need an all-around cleanup before guests arrive. Pet owners know the struggle of cleaning up pet hair, especially when it gets tangled in vacuum brushes. The MAMNV robot vacuum tackles this issue with its brushless suction port, which ensures that hair is easily sucked up without getting tangled. This feature makes it a game-changer for pet families, who can now enjoy a fur-free home with minimal effort. In addition, the powerful digital motor ensures that no debris is left behind, even on thicker carpets or hard floors. Whether it's cat hair, dog fur, or dust, the MAMNV robot vacuum handles it all with ease. The package is designed to ensure that you have everything you need for seamless, hassle-free cleaning from the moment you unbox it. Why you should buy the MAMNV robot vacuum and mop combo. If you're looking for a smart, convenient, and efficient way to keep your home clean, the MAMNV robot vacuum and mop combo is the solution you've been waiting for. Its powerful suction, advanced navigation technology, and ability to mop and vacuum simultaneously make it the perfect companion for busy individuals, pet owners, and anyone who wants to simplify their cleaning routine. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the convenience for yourself. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.